Hello everyone. So this is an update I wanted to share with you as part of our functional automation initiative. As you all know, we have been trying this since while, and after exploring many tools, the tool that we have finalized is Catalan Studio. So Catalan Studio is basically a tool that supports web automation, mobile automation, and API automation. But mainly we are looking in functional web automation for desktops. So in this video, I'm going to demonstrate one of the test cases that we have automated. Test case is simple. I'm going to sign up to the Steven, and then I'm going to create employee and validate the employee on employee info page. So whatever details that are provided while creating employee, I'm going to validate that on employee info page. Yeah. Before I run the scripts, I would like to give you overview of how it works. So basically there are three main parts. One is test cases, second is object repository, and data files. So test cases are nothing but the test steps that we need to follow in order to execute the test case. Then we also have the verification points here to validate the expected results. For example, so in this example, like we are going to verify the employee information that we have provided in the add employee form. So this line of code verify the email that we have entered for that employee. Then this line of code verify the name of the employee, and so on. Next one is object repository. Object repository has all the locators, page level locators, or the elements. For example, if I want to click on login button, then it has XPath, then it has ID. Yeah, so basically these are the locators which helps scripts to identify the particular element using the attributes. And then we have test data here. So if any test case required fixed set of data that needs to be passed as an input, then we read that data from this data files. Yeah, so now I'm going to execute the test case where user is going to sign up to the application, then add employee and verify the employee information. This is the test suite I have created, and in the test suite I have added employee folder, and in this folder I have added all the test cases related to the employees. And the first test case I'm going to run, I'm selecting the browser, Chrome. Yeah, so in the logs you can see the browser is opening. Now it is navigating to the test sign up page. So I have used a random function here to generate first name, last name and email, because for signing up we don't require fixed set of data. So we have created a generic function, reusable function that can be used wherever required. So now user has signed up, and here user is added full name and email of the employee. Yeah. Now I'm going to the employee list page. So employee that we added, we pass in the search criteria and we got the result. Now here we clicked on the employee from the list page and validated all the information that we have provided, that is name and email. Now we are going to the quick add page, quick add option. From there we are adding employee, and again here we are going back to the list page, performing search for the employee that we have just created from the quick add, and okay, we clicked on the search result, we validated all the fields that we have entered, and test is over. So you can see the result here. So basically results are getting uploaded on TestOps. It's a test management tool that they are providing. So test case is passed and we can see the results in the dashboard, something like this. So it shows how many test cases we have executed on particular day, what's the status of it, and some more information like which steps we have executed, which all steps were failed, and which all have passed. Yeah, so that's the demo I wanted to share with you. If you have any feedback or questions, do let me know. Thank you.